Welcome to Lala's World. Today we're diving into how to scan QR codes on your Android device using 4 easy methods: your camera, Google Lens, screenshots, and apps. Whether you're new to QR codes or looking for the best way to scan them, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Number 1. Using your camera. The first method is using your Android camera to scan QR codes directly. Simply open your camera app and point it at the QR code. If your device doesn't recognize the QR code, you may need to enable this feature. Head to your camera setting by tapping the Settings toggle button with the camera app and make sure Scan QR Codes is enabled. Once that's set, your device should automatically recognize QR codes and provide a link or prompt. Easy, right? Number 2. Using Google Lens. Next, let's explore Google Lens to scan QR codes. Google Lens is a powerful tool built into many Android devices. Open the Google Lens app, point your camera at the QR code, and the lens will instantly recognize it and provide the information or link. Number 3. From a screenshot. Now, let's talk about scanning QR codes from a screenshot. If you've taken a screenshot of a QR code, you can still scan it. Open your Photos or Gallery app. Find the screenshot and then open Google Photos. Tap the Google Lens icon within Google Photos and it will scan the QR code for you. And lastly, number 4, using an app. Finally, let's look at using an app to scan QR codes. There are plenty of QR code scanning apps available in the Play Store. Simply download one of the best QR scanner apps for Android. Open the app and follow the instructions to scan your QR code. And it's that simple. I already have a QR app installed, so I'll simply just use that one. And there you have it. 4 easy ways to scan QR codes on your Android device using your camera, Google Lens, a screenshot, and an app. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and trips from Lala's World. Thanks for watching.